How to add admin on Instagram page. First of all, you have to open Instagram and then make sure to switch your personal account to professional account if you haven't yet. So you have to tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see the professional dashboard, this means we have successfully switched our personal account to our professional account. Then after that, you have to open any browser of your preference. Then on the web address bar, you need to tap on it and search for business.facebook.com. Then search for it. Then after that, the Meta Business Suite will open on your screen. Once it opens, at the left panel at the bottom left corner of the screen, as you can see the settings icon, you simply need to select the settings. Then on the left panel, you have to select the people icon which is underneath the settings icon with the two flashcard and the head like icon. So once it open, as you can see that currently I am the admin of my own page, so I have full control of everything. So in order to add admin on Instagram page, users have to tap on invite people at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the button highlighted in blue, and here we can easily add people. Just we have to enter the email address, enter it, and then there is the advanced option also. If you wish to temporary access or Meta Spark access only, you can use those option as well if you wish to. After you enter the email address, you can select the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can assign the access. If you wish to give partial access, you can toggle on the button. For apps and integration, you can also manage it, or and you can give full control to this admin if you add them, and you can tap on next button. After that, you can also assign business assets, and you can select the business assets as well here. Then after that, let's select confirm selection, and then you can select this partial access. And then once the invitation has sent, they will easily get the invitation, and once they accept the invitation, they will be the admin on our Instagram page. So this is how we can easily add me on Instagram page. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it, hit the notification bell for more updates.